How to Find Joy in a Hopeless Life, an inspiring story. Once upon a time, on the outskirts of a small town, there was an ancient monastery. A well known saint, Father Mitchell, lived there with his disciples. It was said that Saint Mitchell had the wisdom to bring light into the lives of those who were sad and hopeless. One day, a young man named Ethan arrived at the monastery. His face was weary and he looked defeated. He approached Saint Mitchell and said, "I have tried everything I can, but I can't find happiness in my life. It feels like nothing good is left for me. Please help me." Saint Mitchell smiled gently and replied, "My son, there is a solution to your problem, but first I want to give you a task." Ethan agreed, curious about what the saint would ask of him. Saint Mitchell handed him an empty bowl and said, "Go to the town and collect a small amount of rice from each house to fill this bowl. However, remember, you can only take rice from homes where there is no sadness or trouble." Ethan thought the task would be simple and immediately set out for the town. At the first house, he held out the bowl and asked for some rice. The owner of the house inquired why he needed it. Ethan explained the condition. He could only accept rice from homes free of sorrow or problems. The homeowner sighed and said, "I wish I could help, but we have been struggling with illness in the family for weeks." Ethan left empty-handed and went to the next house. There too, he was told, "Our son recently lost his job. We are burdened with worries." At the third house, he heard, "We are drowning in debt. How can we claim to have no problems?" Ethan spent the entire day visiting homes, but he could not find a single one without sorrow or trouble. Exhausted and disheartened, he returned to the monastery with an empty bowl. Father Mitchell greeted him with a knowing smile and asked, "Were you able to fill the bowl?" Ethan lowered his head and said, "No, Father, I could not find a single house where there was no sadness or problem. Everyone I met had some form of trouble in their lives." Father Mitchell nodded and said, "That, my son, is the truth of life. Everyone has their share of struggles and challenges, but we often make the mistake of searching for happiness only after our problem disappear. That day never comes. Happiness does not come from perfect circumstance. It comes from our perspective on life." The saint then asked Ethan to pick a pebble and throw it into the nearby lake. As the pebble hit the water, ripples formed, spreading outward. Father Mitchell said, "This pebble represents your problems. If you focus on them, the surface of your life will always seem disturbed. But if you look beyond the ripples at the serene view of the lake, you will see its beauty. Similarly, happiness depends on where you direct your attention." That day, Ethan learned that to find joy in life, he needed to change his mindset rather than wait for his problems to disappear. Problems will always be a part of life, but if we start seeking happiness in the small moments, we can find joy even in the midst